Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you send an email directly from your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to send an email from your Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and your CRM was with Attio, rather than jumping over to your email inbox like Gmail or Outlook, you can actually send directly from your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your email or your Outlook. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you've already added your account in order to send an email directly from Attio, there's a few different ways you can do this. The easiest way is here on the left. You want to click on emails. Once you do that, on the top right, click on compose email. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose from your contacts to send them an email. Now, if you haven't connected your email, it's going to warn you that you have to connect an email inbox. So just click on the button and it'll walk you through that process. Another way you can send an email is directly from your contacts. So let me close this out. Okay, here on the left, you're going to click on people. Once you click on people, go ahead and click on the name of the person you want to email to. All right, once you do that, up here on the top right, you can click on compose email. All right, once again, the compose email screen pops. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send an email from your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.